Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the block, procs and the lambdas when to use. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in Ruby, block, procs and the lambdas are all ways to handle chunks of code as object, allowing you to pass code around and execute it later. Here's when and where you might use blocks. Usage. Blocks are used when you want to pass a chunk of code to a method that is intended to be executed within the method's body. Typical scenario blocks are often used in the methods that iterate over a collection. So iteration, in that case, we can use such as each, map, select, etc. So when I try to do each, so here you can see that we have used the block do and end. Okay, next one, procs. Usage. Procs are the objects that encapsulates blocks of code, allowing you to store them in a variable, pass them to a method and execute them multiple times. Typical scenario, use procs when you need to reuse a block of code in a multiple places or pass it around as an argument. For you can see that we have declared this proc with proc.new, and here you can see that we have number which puts num into multiply by 2. Okay, so here you can see with the help of this we are using this procs. Okay, next, we have a lambdas. Usage. Lambdas are similar to procs with few key differences. They enforce a number of arguments. The difference is enforcing the number of arguments have different return behavior. Typical scenario, use lambdas when you want like a pro-like object but with a stricter argument handling and the return semantics. In that case, you can use the lambdas. Okay, so here you can see that. Key difference. Argument checking. Lambdas check the number of arguments passed, raising the error if the wrong number is given, while procs does not. Return behavior. In lambda, return will exit the lambda itself, while in a proc, return will exit from the method enclosing the proc. When to use blocks. When you need to pass a simple one-time use chunk of code to a method, then you can use procs. When you need to reuse a block of code multiple times or pass it as a parameter, lambdas. Use when you need stricter argument handling or you want the return behavior to be consistent with the methods. In that case, you can use. Okay, so this is how you can use, where to use. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.